Hello, in this video I'm gonna try to help you solve pairing issues with JBL Wind 3S. If you cannot connect it through the Bluetooth pairing with, for instance, your smartphone, let me try to help you fix that. So let's actually start by turning off the JBL. So if it's on, press and hold the power button until it is off. Once it is off, let's go to your device. In my case, I wanted to connect with my smartphone. And we want to go to Bluetooth, so let's open Bluetooth. There we go. The first thing that we need to do is make sure that the JBL is not saved anywhere. So if you have it in saved device, let's actually tap the gear icon on the right side, and then we want to forget about this device. The next thing that we want to do is pretty much turn off the Bluetooth. So let's turn it off, and then let's turn it back on. Now after that, we want to go back to our JBL, and actually on your smartphone, let's reopen the connected devices, and now we will try to pair with your JBL once again. So let's power it on again with the button in the middle. There we go. Now after that, of course, over here we have the pairing button, so we want to press and hold it until we hear a certain sound, and the light in the middle will also be indicating that it is in the pairing mode by blinking really fast. So let's press and hold it. There we go. Now we are in the pairing mode. And the next thing that we can do is on your device, you want to pair a new one. And this time we should be able to find it on the list, and we should be able to connect to that. Wrong device. Let me try one more time. This one. Let's cancel that. There we go. Let's choose JBL Wind 3S. And now we should be able to connect. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.